Hello kids.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone. All these are my class 5 students and now I am going to explain them types of fractions. Okay kids, before I move ahead, will you please tell me what are fractions? Yes, fraction is a part of a whole and that whole can be a region or it can be a collection of something. Okay, see it is represented like this. This is a fraction like 2 by 8. Okay, and it has 3 parts. Please remember. Okay, see this is the whole part and this is a part of it. Okay, the number at the top is called what? Numerator, and it is denoted by capital N. And the number at the bottom is called denominator. It is denoted by capital D. And the line that separates them is called fraction bar. It is called what? Fraction bar. So we have a numerator, denominator, and this a line that separates them is called fraction bar. Did you understand? These are the parts of a fraction. Okay, now we have different types of fractions. Please repeat after me. Like fraction, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, unit fractions, mixed fractions. Okay, see, like fractions. Like means what you're getting? Something similar? Something is same? Yes or no? Okay, so what is same here? The denominator is same. Like means what? Same, right? Okay, so what is same here? The fractions which have same denominator. See here, the denominators are same. We are not talking about the numerator. We are talking about the denominator. The fractions which have same denominators are called what? Like fractions. And unlike. Unlike means not same. Yes, so the fractions which have different denominators. The fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Fractions with same denominator, like fractions. Fractions with different denominators, unlike fractions. Now we have something called proper fractions. Proper fractions means those fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. This is proper fraction. Yes or no? It's like one healthy fat person lifting a thin person. Correct only, right? He can lift it easily? Yes. Then we have something called improper fraction. Improper fraction means in that numerator is bigger than the denominator. Numerator is bigger, denominator is smaller. It's like one thin person trying to lift a heavy person. Difficult, right?
Yes,
Yes or no? So it's like that. This is improper fraction. Then we have something called unit fraction. Unit fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is 1. Always 1. The numerator is always 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, like that. Okay. Then we have something called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is made up of 2 parts. Whole number part and a fraction. See, whole number and a fraction. Okay, so we have a whole number part and a fraction. We can convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction and improper fractions into mixed fractions. Did you understand? Yes. So these are the different types of fraction. We have more type. We have complex fraction, vulgar fraction, decimal fractions. Yes, so many. And mixed fractions are also